Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do the next question of class 11, and the chapter which we are doing is some basic concepts of chemistry. And today we are doing the solved example 1.3, which also have been given in your NCERT book. So we are starting with that question. The question is written, that is, calculate the amount of water in grams produced by combustion of 16 gram of methane. Before starting this question, we should know a few things. First of all, what is combustion? Over here, we are saying that combustion is burning, okay? But it should be in the presence of oxygen, okay? Next thing we should know that what is the formula of methane? Methane is CH4. After knowing this, we should also be aware about the balanced chemical equation of the combustion of methane, right? So I'm going to write down the balanced chemical equation. Methane, which is CH4, it is a gas. It burns with oxygen gas, okay, and produces carbon dioxide gas plus water. It may be in the gaseous form or liquid form. Now, as we can see, this is not a balanced chemical equation. So we are going to balance it. Carbon is balanced over here. Hydrogen are 4 in the reactant side. There are 2 hydrogens on the product side. So to balance the hydrogens, we will add 2 in front of water. This is 2 moles of water. Okay. Now oxygen, if we talk about, in the reactant side, there are 2 oxygens. And in product side, there are 2 oxygens with carbon dioxide and 1 oxygen each water. So there are total 4 oxygens on product side. To balance out the oxygen, we will add 2 as a coefficient in front of oxygen gas. Now this is a balanced chemical equation. We will take this balanced chemical equation and we'll make it our baseline. So we are going to use this equation and solve the particular question. Over here we can see that 1 mole of methane. Now as we know that we are only concerned with methane and water, will not take in account for oxygen and carbon dioxide. So we will compare the values of methane and water only. So 1 mole of methane on combustion produces 2 mole of water. So this is our baseline equation, right? But the amount is asked in grams. It is not asked in moles. So we will convert each mole into grams. 1 mole of methane, right? It is actually going to give you the molar mass of methane. So if we calculate the molar mass of methane, if you remember from the previous questions, the molar mass of methane will comes out to be equal to the total mass of each atom. So there is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. Carbon is 12 gram and 1 hydrogen atom is 1 gram, right? But there are 4 hydrogens. So total mass of 4 hydrogens will be 4 gram. So 12 plus 4 is going to be equal to 16 grams. So this is the molar mass of methane. The molar mass of methane is equal to the given mass over here, right? It is equal to given mass, which is given in the question. So what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the mass of water now. Now from this particular equation we can see that if 1 mole of methane combines with oxygen, however oxygen is present over there, but 2 moles of water are produced. So now we should know the molar mass of water. Molar mass of water. Once again, we are going to calculate the molar mass of water. That becomes equal to 18 grams. So this is the mass of 1 mole of water. Okay. But in a particular equation, which is a balanced chemical equation, there are 2 moles of water. So 2 moles of water weighs, what will be the mass of 2 moles of water? That is molar mass multiplied by number of moles. That is 2 into 18. That is going to be 36 grams. Right? So our answer will be that when 16 gram of methane is combusted, 36 gram of water is formed or produced. Okay, so our answer will be 36 gram of water. So this is how you are going to solve these kind of questions. I hope it is helpful for all of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.